Hey everybody, I wanted to share with you something that I'm making here, and it's a no medium microgreens harvesting table. And you can see it here. This is my old microgreens table, the first one I made. There's parts of it over there just so you can know. And this is the old gutter from Fawn 1, and I'm going to use this as a catchment. This is going to hold the microgreens upside down and elevated so that I can harvest. And I even got comment from someone who mentioned rinsing. I had the concept already in mind, and I was going to do that for this grow and this sunflower grow. So I'm completing this now, and I wanted to share with you the fabrication of it. Okay, here we are. This is my no substrate, no medium pea shoot video. I think it's like the very first one that I did, or very close to the first one, without any medium whatsoever. But I wanted to give credit to TechMouse 1101, and he says, it seems like it would be a good idea to trim the sides of the tray. It would make it easier to spray the seeds and shells out, and make it easier when it comes time to harvest. All you have to do is hold the tray upside down. Well, as you can see here, I said you're stealing some of my thunder here in the comments, but what I decided was that I wanted to be able to harvest easier where the microgreens, because they have roots that are you can hold upside down easily enough, like I show in almost all the videos, but why not just harvest and let them fall straight down? So I come up with the concept that you're seeing in this video here for harvesting. But when he said spray here the seeds, it automatically triggered to me that, hey, I can use the harvesting table also as a rinse table. So that's how I came up with it. And TechMouse, this is just for you. I'm not sure that I want to try to trim the sides of the tray because it would sit lower in the tray directly on top of the other. That plus I wouldn't get it even. If they had a shorter mesh tray, then that's an awesome idea. So I wanted to give you that feedback as well. I am going to put legs on this to lift it, but before I do that, I wanted to show you this gutter has an angle on it that's similar to the tray. So what I have to do is I have to get it where it models the tray in angle and then secure it with screws. I'll show you that. So I cut off some of the gutter. It was angled up here, so it creates the angle that I want, and then I cut it in half for both sides. Alright, as you can see, it's a pretty snug fit on this side, and I also did it on that side. And now, when we turn it over, we lift the microgreens and we put them on top of the table there, and then we put the legs on where we raise it. That way everything will be suspended. This is the harvesting table complete. Now I could put an elbow or another one of these across the bottom to make it stable and really secure. But my thoughts are that when I put it into a bucket or a platform like this, let me see if I can do that, then any harvested microgreens that come out as a harvest, put the cap, will catch on any supports that go across here or across here. So that's why I did that, and I put the legs at the height that I think is usable for me right here on the deck. They can be any height. I can also put a extension between, or add on, or cut back, or any of that. So any height. You can see here that the tray catches nicely. It's nice and sturdy and secure. So yep, that's the table completed. That's all I'm going to do for now. We need to see this thing in action. Did you know you can subscribe to me? Check it out. Click right here on the subscribe button. See that? It's got a little check next to it. if you click on the little bell to the right of it, it'll bring up a little notification that says send me all notifications for the channel every time I make a video. Click save. You'll get an email notification that I have made a new video. This is for those who don't know. Thanks for watching. You guys take care.